now at noon, Going Red for Women.
Yeah, you'll notice that a lot of people, especially here at ABC 11, are wearing some type of red, and we have.
Let me put my headband.
Yeah, all of our little tchotchkes. That's because February is American Heart Month. A lot of people do not know that cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer of women. So let's talk about it. Jamice Price is live in Durham with more on what all women should know about the silent killer, and she is wearing her red too. Hi, Jamice.
Looks good.
Hi, Amber. We made our way here to UNC Rex Heart and Cardiovascular Hospital, shining a very big light on a very important issue that's impacting women, and that's heart disease. We're not talking about it enough, and that's why you see so many women today wearing their red proudly. It's a symbol of support and commitment to ending cardiovascular disease. As it stands now, nearly 45% of women over the age of 20 are living with some form of cardiovascular disease. Heart disease includes heart attacks and strokes. Symptoms look different for men and women, and there are also significant disparities for women and women of color when it comes to research and access to care. Now, advocates like Deborah Louder, whose grandmother had a stroke years ago, is committed to raising awareness about heart disease. She has now turned her passion to purpose as the executive director of the American Heart Association of the Triangle. She says the Go Red for Women movement was all about women talking about heart disease, and that's really what it's about. Women talking about it and raising awareness. She works with heart disease survivors who shared it's important to be advocates for your own health.
The biggest things I've heard from survivors is that they actually knew something was wrong, something was off, and they didn't know what it was. And so I think when we talk about being an advocate for yourself, ask. Make sure that you're talking to your physician, maybe even bringing it up to your friends, because a lot of us have experienced some of the same things, and you know your body better than anybody. And so if something doesn't feel right, ask.
So the Go Red for Women movement has been around for 20 years, and the American Heart Association is celebrating 100 years of saving and improving lives. So to mark this 100th anniversary, the organization is working to make sure someone in every household knows how to do CPR. So Louder is also suggesting this month to really just be advocates for your health, whether that means walking an extra 10 minutes a day or drinking an extra glass of water. And Amber, I can tell you, just speaking with Louder, I learned a lot about heart disease. It's something, honestly, it's not talked about nearly enough, especially among women.
Yeah, and that's the initiative today. And they say with education, 80% of those cardiac events can be prevented. So talking about it, educating yourself, knowing your numbers, that's all the key. Wear your red today. Jamice, thanks so much.